The Quinn What's Ahead graph helps you understand what's likely to happen to your sugar levels over the next 5 hours. The shades of the bar show the approximate strength of your active food and insulin over time. The arrows indicate the effect they're currently having on your sugar levels. To record food, and right now I'm going to have some beans on toast. You can enter your carb range estimate if you're someone who counts carbs. Right now, I'm going to have a smaller portion than I usually do, so I'll just add a different estimate. You can skip carb entering altogether if you don't count carbs. And you can set the time to future, past, or now for your food. And then I'm going to have a look now at what I've done in the past for beans on toast. And you can see here there's a few past experiences that are relevant to me right now. So I'll select this one that looks closest really to my starting range where I am now today. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this right now. I'll ask to receive a notification. And now I'm going to go ahead and record. And now you can see the insulin I've just recorded is now showing as active on my What's Ahead screen. And the beans on toast are over here in the timeline because they're coming in the future. You'll get a reminder when the insulin you recorded changes phase. You'll also get a reminder when it's time to eat the food you planned. And you can snooze that, or you can choose to go ahead and eat it now. And I'm going to go ahead. And you'll see then that it's updated and shown on the What's Ahead screen, and the graph is updated to show what's likely to happen to my sugar levels over the next 5 hours. Quinn also helps you remember to take your background insulin. You can create a routine, so set up in the morning how much you're going to take, and Quinn will remember that. And in the evening, again, 12 units at 7 p.m. And you can just set up that routine and let Quinn know about it. And then in the future, Quinn will notify you when it's time to take your background insulin. Press the notification and confirm your background dose with one tap. And hopefully never forget a background dose again.
This has helped me so much because I'm no longer insulin stacking. So this has resulted in a lot less hypos, which has then stopped me yo-yoing so much. I've not changed anything that I eat, so it's just massively helped. Even if you don't have any of the compatible gadgets, I'd recommend just downloading it and giving it a go to log your insulin. So it's been such a massive help. I don't think I'll ever not use it.
So Quinn actually remembers your previous decisions. So now if I log my granary toast, it will tell me that last time you did this, you actually did a correction about an hour later, and it says you took 1.5 units. And then I can just bear that in mind. I can look at the What's Ahead graph and it will tell me what my blood sugar is likely to be based on what has happened to my blood sugars previously. And Quinn has honestly helped me to master the breakfast spike, which is just amazing.